Mornings are the perfect time to set the tone for the day, and what better way to kickstart your weight loss journey than with a nutritious and delicious breakfast? With a plethora of options available, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information on what to eat. But fear not. I've compiled a list of 5 quick and easy breakfast recipes that are both healthy and conducive to weight loss. These meals are not only low in calories but also packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients to keep you feeling full and energized until lunchtime. Recipe 1. Greek yogurt parfait ingredients. 1 cup Greek yogurt, non-fat or low-fat. 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 1/2 cup granola, low sugar, high fiber. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Instructions. 1. In a tall glass or bowl, start with a layer of Greek yogurt. 2. Add a layer of mixed berries on top. 3. Sprinkle a layer of granola. 4. Repeat the layers until the glass is full. 5. Top it off with chia seeds and a drizzle of honey if desired. 6. Let it sit for a few minutes for the chia seeds to absorb some liquid and expand. Why it works. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in fat, helping to keep you full and satisfied. The berries are low in calories and high in fiber and antioxidants. Granola adds crunch and more fiber, while chia seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids and even more fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness and aiding in digestion. Recipe 2. Overnight oats ingredients. 1/2 cup rolled oats. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1/2 banana. Sliced 1 tablespoon peanut butter, natural, no added sugars. 1 tablespoon honey, or a sweetener of your choice. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. A pinch of salt. Optional toppings. Chopped nuts, chia seeds, shredded coconut. Instructions. 1. Combine the oats, almond milk, banana slices, peanut butter, honey, cinnamon, and salt in a jar or bowl. 2. Stir well to combine. 3. Refrigerate overnight to allow the oats to absorb the liquid and soften. 4. In the morning, give it a good stir and top with your choice of toppings. 5. Enjoy cold or warm in the microwave for 1-2 minutes. Why it works. Oats are a great source of fiber and protein, which helps in weight loss by keeping you full. The healthy fats from peanut butter and the natural sweetness of bananas keep the breakfast satisfying without adding unnecessary sugars. Recipe 3. Spinach and feta omelette ingredients. 2 eggs. 1/2 cup baby spinach. 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese. 1/2 medium tomato. Chop 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Heat the olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. 2. Whisk the eggs in a bowl and set aside. 3. Add the spinach to the pan and sauté until wilted. 4. Pour the eggs over the spinach and let them cook until the bottom starts to set. 5. Sprinkle the feta cheese and tomatoes on 1/2 of the omelette. 6. Once the eggs are cooked to your liking, fold the other half over the fillings. 7. Cook for an additional minute to melt the cheese and serve. Why it works. Eggs are high in protein and low in calories, making them a perfect breakfast choice for weight loss. The spinach adds fiber and nutrients, while the feta cheese provides a good source of calcium and keeps the meal interesting. Recipe 4. Green smoothie ingredients. 1 cup spinach or kale. 1/2 banana. 1/2 avocado. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 cup frozen berries. 1 scoop protein powder, optional. A handful of ice cubes. Instructions. 1. Place all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth and creamy, adding more almond milk if necessary. 3. Serve immediately. Why it works. This smoothie is packed with fiber from the leafy greens and fruit, and the healthy fats from the avocado will keep you satisfied. The protein from the optional protein powder adds a filling element to ensure that you won't be reaching for an unhealthy snack before lunch. Recipe 5. Avocado and egg on whole wheat toast ingredients. 1 medium avocado. 1 egg. 1 slice whole wheat bread. Salt and pepper to taste. Hot sauce or salsa, optional. Instructions. 1. Mash the avocado in a bowl and season with salt and pepper. 2. Spread the mashed avocado onto the slice of toast. 3. Cook the egg sunny side up or as you prefer. 4. Place the egg on top of the avocado toast. 5. Add a sprinkle of hot sauce or salsa if you like a little spice. Why it works. Avocado is high in healthy fats and fiber, which helps in controlling hunger and aiding digestion. Pairing it with a whole wheat toast ensures you're getting complex carbohydrates to keep energy levels stable, and the egg provides protein to keep you full. These 5 breakfast recipes are not only quick and easy to prepare, but they are also incredibly healthy and conducive to weight loss. By incorporating a mix of fiber, protein, and healthy fats into your morning meal, you're setting yourself up for success throughout the day. Remember, consistency is key in any weight loss journey, and starting your day with a nutritious breakfast is a fantastic way to keep on track. Bon appetit!